Yeah, my name is Pravean. I first heard about Samuel Leeds a couple of weeks ago. I've been to the crash course, one pound crash course in Manchester. That's where my opened my eyes to this busy thing, like what's going in the market, such as like a property side. So I decided to come and do some course. So that's why I'm here today in London. Wow, it's amazing, man. Amazing. Seriously, there is so much that to be learned, honestly. I've been spending like a 40 years without knowing this stuff. So this is just amazing stuff. And the thing is, like, I joined the academy this morning because I want to progress and see where it goes to. That's how I feel. That is what I want. I'm a person not like just sitting at home and doing common online stuff. Like it's always a booster you get. Like when you see the person, when you get motivated yourself. Like, and you learn quickly, and you don't need to stuck somewhere. That's where the gap is for me, to be honest. That's the one reason I joined now. That's your network is your net worth. So that's another key thing that I learned. So I'm glad to be here. Yeah, I'm meeting people. Yeah, I've been talking to a few mentors. They're absolutely smashing. And Samuel, you don't need to say anything. Everybody knows him. You know, I think it's no brainer. Just jump in. Don't think too much.